Are you tired of dirty and filthy rims, and do you wish you could easily get rid of the brake dust? If yes, then this episode is for you. Hello and welcome to Accident on Cars. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to get rid of brake dust baked on your rims easily. It's going to be a comparison of the three most famous brand names in the market, and these are the products: Chemical Guys, Diablo Wheel Cleaner, Sonax Wheel Cleaner, and Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Please keep in mind that none of these products have been provided to me for free or anything, so this video is not a sponsored video, and I haven't used none of these products. So we're gonna find out together which one is the most powerful, which one gets the job done better. I'm gonna leave Amazon links in the description of this video below so that you could buy whichever you like after watching this video. Every click and every purchase you make through clicking my links helps the channel and supports the channel. I get small commission from Amazon itself, but from none of these guys. Anyhow, let's get started. So the reason I picked this product is because I did some research, and these brands, the Chemical Guys, Sonax and Turtle Wax, seem to be the most popular on the market. Sonax is not as commonly known to general public, but I've heard that professionals use them, and it's made in Germany, so it should be good. And Turtle Wax, I think everybody who has bought an automotive product knows Turtle Wax. Now there is one more brand, Meguiar's, and this is not a product for cleaning rims. I'm just like showing you the brand name. I don't have their product because I had their rim cleaner and it did not do a good job. It wasn't too good, so that's out of equation. So we're gonna be focused on these three. As you guys see, my rims are really dirty. Like, look at the amount of brake dust. Just look at it. There's so much brake dust baked on them that it looks as if I plastic dipped or painted my rims black. So we're gonna be testing this product really hard today, and the way I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to take each wheel off and wash them on the side, because there's just so much. Like, just look at the brake caliper. This is like so dirty and filthy. So it's gonna be a hard job for any of these products to really get rid of this much baked in brake dust. But at first I'm gonna use the Sonax product. From a short distance, apply evenly to a cool dry wheel, wait 3 to 5 minutes, wash it off with a high pressure washer is what it says. It's time to give it a nice bath and wash it all off. Let's see what kind of results we'll get from Sonax without any brushing. Check this out, guys. The results are pretty amazing. Without any brushing, we got the rims this much cleaner. There's definitely some brown marks left, but that's the iron and particles baked into the rim very deeply. So this time we're gonna be brushing to see if we can get it improved further. Alright, here are the results I got from Sonax after brushing. You can see the face of the rim is pretty clean and shiny, and I couldn't be happier with the results. There are still some imperfections left, but I didn't do too good of a job brushing, but the product does magic. Okay, let's look on the back of the rim. There is still some brown marks left, but those are iron and dust baked in really deep into the rim. I think at this point I need more aggressive abrasives, or maybe I need to even take the rim for a repair. But overall, Sonax did an amazing job, and I'm very satisfied with the results. Sonax did a great job, actually, an amazing job on the calipers. How clean the calipers are. I guess the product works really well on smooth surfaces like that. But it just like couldn't cut through the grease and baked on brake dust that I had on the rims. So like, make sure you do not let your rims to get as dirty as mine. Alright, on to the next product, guys. This time I'm gonna try Diablo Chemical Guys Diablo Wheel Cleaner. This product actually in the instructions says that the rim should be pre-rinsed before applying this, so that's what I'm gonna do, and we'll see what kind of results we get out of this product. Here we see the results we got from the Chemical Guys Diablo. It absolutely loses to the Sonax in this comparison text. Just I did 2 or 3 rounds of brushing and spraying. Just see how much more of the dirt and grime is left. One advantage of the Diablo versus Sonax is that it smells really good. It smells like a bubble gum or shampoo, but that's about it. And it won't stick to the surface too well. You spray it and it immediately runs down, where Sonax kind of like reacts with the iron particles and sticks to the surface. All right guys, it's getting dark, I'm tired, and lastly we're gonna be reviewing turtle wax. Just like the chemical guys, this one also requires for the rim and the wheel to be pre-soaked. So I'm gonna do that and then apply this, wait for 30 seconds, see what kind of results we get. Then I'm gonna brush it. This one I think will require brushing too, because it doesn't say that it works without brushing. And we have the last tire that is really dirty as well. Just look how much brake dust there is. Let's see if turtle wax can deal with this. All right, we can see that the turtle wax could not do anything to the dust without brushing. I think we definitely have to brush, as it didn't do anything to the dirt. Did do some brushing with the turtle wax, and I am pleasantly surprised with the results. Just look at this. I mean, it's still not ideal, you know, there are spots that I missed in brushing, but I think of the three products, turtle wax did the best job. It didn't do as good of a job as the Sonax, picking up metal particles that have kind of like baked in. But remember, like the others have left kind of like a yellow stains that they couldn't get off. Just look at the results from the turtle wax. This is the front side. My rims are a little scratched, they need to be repainted, but overall I'm very satisfied with the turtle wax results. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Who is the winner? What is the best product among these three for cleaning dirty rims? Keep in mind your results may be different depending on how dirty your rims are. It's unlikely that your rims are as dirty as mine. Mine were like terrible, as you saw. So who got the last place? Who is the absolute loser? So number 3 is Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner. I did not like this product at all. As you saw, it didn't do anything. It sprays like a gel. It doesn't stick onto the rim. It didn't do any good when I did not scrub. It didn't do much when I scrubbed. So I can't even like recommend this. I don't know. But this one is like the second one in the price range. It costs about 12 or 13 bucks, and there are 16 ounces or 473 millimeters. One good thing about it is that it smells really good. But for cleaning as dirty of rims as mine, this is definitely the third place. The first place and the second place is really hard for me to decide. Again, depends on how you look at it. So turtle wax costs about 7 bucks. Sonax costs about 17 bucks. Sonax is like 16.9 ounces or half a liter, and turtle wax is 23 ounces and 680 millimeters. So turtle wax is definitely the cheapest among all, and you get the more stuff for the money. Sonax is the winner when it comes to no scrubbing at all. If your rims are clean and you want to maintain them clean, so I definitely give Sonax the first place. You can just like spray your rims, wait for 3 minutes, and then go through the car wash or just like power wash your rims and wheels, and they will be like nice and shiny as they are displayed on the label. But if you are gonna scrub and use a brush anyway, then turtle wax wins this competition. It didn't do like much good when I didn't scrub, but as soon as I took the brush and started brushing off the rim, I got the best results out of the turtle wax. So that's why I'm saying it's hard to choose between the two. If you are looking for a cheaper product that does an amazing job when using a brush, then this is number 1. If you are looking for no brushing chemical that you can just like spray and hose off to clean your rims, then this one is number 1. However, this is the most expensive and you don't get much of it. I think it's empty actually. So it's up to you to choose either this one or this one, depending on what you're looking for, what your goals are, but both are amazing. My recommendation actually is to get both of them. Just like use this first to get rid of iron particles, and then use this to just like give the rim a quick brushing, and you will get the best results out of these two. Anyways guys, it's really dark outside. I'm tired. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it helps someone out there, and if it does, I'd appreciate if you like the video. It helps the algorithm a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the future episodes of Accent on Cars. Bye now.